Yung pong mga respondents ay meron ngayong umagang obligasyon na sumagot. At ang mga respondents, like yung Secretary Remulla, sino pa? Si PNP Chief Marbil, General Torre, at basta apat ang dinimanda namin doon eh. Ang mag-re-represent sa kanila, under the law, ay ang Solicitor General. Kung matatandaan nyo, yung Solicitor General ay ilang beses nating tinurigsa. Katunayan, kanina lang, di ba, binanatang ko yung, pinaalala ko yung walang jurisdiction pero kung ano nung pinapile nila. Ganun pa man, sila ang abogado ng gobyerno sa aming petition for writ of habeas corpus. Kanina ho, nag-file sila ng manifestation ng opisina ng Office of the Solicitor General sa Korte Suprema. At ito po ang sinabi nila. Babasahin ko lang ho yung mga pertinent paragraphs. To recall on March 17, 2018, the Republic of the Philippines in the exercise of its sovereign prerogative under Article 127, Paragraph 1 of the Rome Statute, deposited with the Office of the United Nations Secretary General its written notification of withdrawal from the statute. The withdrawal took effect on March 17, 2019. Paragraph 4 sa kanilang manifestation sa Supreme Court. Ang sabi ho ng Office of the Solicitor General, in steadfast adherence to this sovereign decision, the Office of the Solicitor General has consistently maintained, both in its submission before the ICC and its public statements, that the case of the Philippines was not admissible and that the ICC failed to timely exercise its jurisdiction. Consequently, the Philippines government has no legal obligation to cooperate with the ICC nor recognize any process emanating from the ICC following the effectivity of the country's withdrawal from the Rome Statute. Considering the Office of the Solicitor General's firm position that the ICC is barred from exercising jurisdiction over the Philippines and that the country's investigative, prosecutorial, and judicial system is functioning as it should, the OSG may not be able to effectively represent respondents in these cases and is constrained to recuse itself from the participating herein. At ang prayer po nila, wherefore the OSG most respectfully prays that its manifestation of recusal in the above captioned consolidated petitions be noted and or favorably considered. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng manifestasyon ng OSG? Ibig kong sabihin, the Office of the Solicitor General is in agreement with our position in the petition for the writ of habeas corpus na yung ICC ay walang jurisdiction. Kaya hindi raw nila pwedeng ipagtanggol, katawanin, irepresenta yung mga respondents, mga opisyalis ng gobyerno, ay ni Lucas Bersamin, ni PNP Chief Marbil, General Torres, ni Secretary Remulla. Hindi ho nila i-represent, ayaw nila. Sangayon sa kanila, kasi mulat sa poll, ang aming mga pahayag, internally, publicly, sa lahat, pati na sa ICC, ay sinabi namin walang jurisdiction ang ICC. Kaya consistent with that, hindi po pwede kaming mag-represent dito sa respondents kasi hindi na kami makaka-epektibong mag-depensa sa kanila kasi kontra na sa aming posisyon. Anong ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin, inaamin ng gobyernong ito nagaling mismo sa abogado ng gobyerno kasi ang Solicitor General abogado ng gobyerno na talagang walang jurisdiction. Ibig sabihin, inaamin nila na illegal, unconstitutional ang ginawang pag-aresto, pagdetini at pagkidnap kay Presidente Duterte.